right, I think it's live, but it's not showing. Yes. I just wanted to make sure that it's available on the group. I should not stream live somewhere else. All right, so welcome to day number 16 of 21 day challenge, and today we'll be starting with editing. So yesterday you got to finish this particular, what do you call? It's not day number 16, it's actually day number 17. My bad. Let me just correct that. And I think with this I can correct. Let me check. Yes, so it's day number 17 of 21 day challenge, and today you need to start do your editing, right? So by now you must have completed your recording, right? In case if you're not, then you can continue doing it until you finish it, right? This challenge, it's not like you need to stick with the timeline, but yeah, you need to launch your course in 21 days. So you can go, like, recording can go a long time, editing can go a little lesser, right? Depending on your expertise and your knowledge. So for me, for example, I'm doing this the recording is going on, it's almost done, and the editing is also started. So I'm not doing the editing, I have given it to my colleague, right? So that's one of the best ways you can start. Once you start creating courses and you want to grow, then you need to hire somebody, or you need to outsource certain things, which takes a lot of time, which is not productive, right? So that's something you got to decide what exactly you're going to outsource. But first you need to create and launch your course. At least one course you should launch, and once you work on this, it will become easy for you, right? Hey Nancy, great to see you here. How's everything? So today you need to start the editing part. I think I've recorded this in the previous session. It's like how to basically do editing for your course, and let me just check. I think it's here. I just want to show you that particular demo. I'll post the link in case if you missed it. I think it's not there. Let me just check. Yes, I got it. Sometimes it's difficult to find on Facebook. Okay, actually I had this day numbers, but it was a little challenging for me to identify that which day I did this demo. Right, let me go back to my video, and I'll just post the link just below this video so that you can watch this particular session, and that will help you do the editing of your course, right? So you don't have to go with the detailed or too much fancy of the editing part. You just need to focus on basic things, right? You don't have to go for a lot of animations, a lot of tips. In case if you're using Camtasia, the current version which I am using is 2018. It's amazing. You have a lot of intros, outros, library, so that you can make use of. But in case if you don't want to do that, that's fine. Keep it simple, because the first course should never be complicated, right? If you have any bad experience with your first course, you will not be able to launch your second course, or you will hesitate to launch your course. Thank you so much. Yeah, it's like we're building this community to help a lot of people, and that's my vision. So we'll be continue doing this these lives, and soon there'll be a lot of new things coming up. After we finish this challenge, I'll be sharing. I have a topic list in the Facebook live section. You can see in the topics on the right top, and those I'll be doing the live sessions and teach you exactly what I did and how I did, so that you can implement and you can start using and getting results. But for that you need to have the course. So I don't think I should emphasize it much, because the importance of launching an online course. And in case if you have started the journey and if you have not finished, that's okay. Wherever you have finished, just start from there and continue doing it, right? Don't stop. That's the biggest thing. If you are not able to finish this in 21 day challenge, it's okay. You can take one more week, and you can just finish your entire content or entire recording or entire editing, whatever the things that you are stuck with, right? So let not this stop you not this challenge stop you, but if in case if you have started the journey, make sure you complete it and launch your course, because once you launch your course, I have some amazing gifts for you, amazing treats for you, you can say, and you are gonna learn something amazing stuff, right, which you can implement and which you can apply for your business. So it's day number 17. Go for editing. In case if you're stuck somewhere, if you have any questions, just comment below. I would be available to answer, right? And in case if you're already done, I see I'm talking to a couple of people. I see that they are done with the recording. One person is almost done with like they have started the editing, and so I want you to focus on this and do it, right? Don't stop here. That's the biggest challenge you will face in any area of your life. If you are doing something, if you stop in between, you don't get results, right? And whatever effort you have put in the journey, you know, it's all get wasted. Okay, so I have a question. Shansha, hi Abhay, how much tax Udemy put on single purchase of $10 course? So actually, when I get enrollments, I check those amounts, and I see that for certain countries there are taxes. So for example, if you go, I think Europe, Europe, you will have about 10% tax. What they will do is they will deduct the amount, the tax amount from the revenue, and then they are going to split the revenue based on the requirements. Like if you are promoting, then 90% will go to you, the remaining amount of the remaining amount. In case you are somebody searching on the Udemy and searching and getting the course, then 10% will be deducted, and remaining amount you will get 50, Udemy will get 50%. So yeah, that's the tax. If you have any specific questions, let me know. But yeah, in case if you need some legal tax advice, I would say tax advice, then I'm not the right person. I would be able to tell you what's happening, but for any advice, I would recommend you to consult your CA, right, chartered accountant. That would be the best way, right? And in case if you have any questions, just keep posting below. I would be answering those. And I think, yes, this is what I wanted to share today. Just keep doing it. I'm working on my recording. Editing is also going simultaneously. That's the best part. So I could take more time in creating the content, because I knew that, you know, recording and editing will go hand by hand, and I don't have to finish one thing and do it another, right? So that works really, really good. So my plan is to finish the course in next 2 to 3 days, which will like officially end this 21-day challenge, and I launched this on my platform. So I would love to share that how I'm launching, the basic thing you need to do. Don't go complicated. Once I'm done with my 4 certifications, currently I'm working on my 3rd certification course, and once I do that, then I'm going to create a sequence, a webinar for each one of the certification, and I'm gonna sell that individually, right? So one would be as a mastery package, where people can take at the very high price, and they get all the certifications for free. And in case if they don't buy, then I tag them with some keyword, and then they start getting some different emails which will have the invite to the next webinar. If they buy, that's fine. If they don't, then go to the next webinar. So based on their requirements, they can check. In case somebody is interested in the particular thing, they will email you. So that I'm going to share with you how I'm going to set up, and I'm sure that once you start your journey, once you create your first course, the next steps would be very, very clear, right? You don't have to go complicated. Whatever I'm going to teach in this community and the Launch Movement 2.0, it's gonna be specific to courses, right? So we'll not be focusing more on any other aspects like selling physical products, or if you want to do offline marketing, we'll not be doing that. Our focus would be specific to courses. How can you create courses? How can you sell it from like $10 to $500 to $1,000 each, right? That's something I'm going to show you, the setup and the system. So that's it, guys. That's what I wanted to share today. If you have any questions, just comment below. And okay, another question is, did you make any video about filling form of Udemy instructors? Yes, I did. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to paste that video also here just below this, and in this I have shown the entire setup for signing up, but I did not show in detail in terms of like adding the PayPal account and all, because that is something is already done. But you will get a pretty good idea when you want to do that. So I'm going to be sharing that particular video. I'll just comment below, I'll just reply to your comment, and you can just watch that. In case still if you have any questions, you can always message and you can always get back. Right, let me see if there is any other question. Okay, so far no question. Keep posting your questions, and if you're watching this on live, don't forget to put #live. This way we'll be able to reach organically a lot of people, and a lot of people can join this community, and we can grow and we can help more people. And in case if you're watching on replay, just put #replay, and that's it. This is what I want you to do, right? Not much. So let me just see the last time it's here. Cool. So that's it, guys. Day number 17 of 21. You need to start your editing. I've posted the video just below this link. I've shown you the Camtasia, how can you edit. Go through that process. It's very simple. You don't have to complicate the process. Keep your editing simple, and then it will be easy, right? So is there. Okay, one more question. How many withdrawal options available for Udemy instructors? So there are only 2 available currently. One is the PayPal, right? You can connect your PayPal account. The second is Payoneer, Payoneer, Payoneer. So Payoneer is also an option. I have not tried that. I'm just working with PayPal. The best part is, for example, if you're earning $1,000 on Udemy, when the pay day comes, like it's day after tomorrow, we'll be receiving the payment of May month, right? So we'll be receiving the payment, and the same amount will get credited in your PayPal account, and PayPal will just do conversion and send it to your account. So I'm using PayPal. I've not used Payoneer. Maybe you can check with people in the Udemy instructor community where they can explain you what exactly this Payoneer work, how does it work. I think there's a little bit of difference in the conversion in some points. Maybe you will be making a little bit more money on Payoneer, but I rely on Udemy. I feel that's the easy way and the safe way to get it done, right? It doesn't take much time as well to get money from PayPal, because immediately they send, next day you have it in your bank account, right? Withdrawal options. So these are 2 withdrawal options, and you can only withdraw, like you don't have option to withdraw, you have option to get paid. That's it, and it's once in a month. If you are selling this month, July, then entire July you will sell. Entire June you will not get paid for July. I will say July. August you will not get paid, and September 6th to 8th you will get paid for the month of July, right? So there's when you start with your journey, you need to wait for a month to get the money in your account, but it is only for 1 month, right? After that, once you are regular on Udemy, you keep teaching, then every month you will get the money that is a month before the month, right? For example, if you're doing it in July, you will not get in August, you will get in September, then again you will get in October, you will get in November. So that's how it works, right? Let me see, are there any more questions? Cool. So I'm going to be covering some more details on these things, and also the promotions which we are starting day after tomorrow. Day number 19, 20 and 21 will be focused only on promotions. I don't want you to go and just start distributing your courses. And okay, question, I may need your help. I'm planning to make courses on web development. Wonderful. So keep posting your questions on the community. See, this is a community, it's a safe place. Everybody, whoever has some problems, some questions, they can post, right? And no question is stupid, no question is brilliant, question is a question, right? So you can post your questions. In case if you need any help, you can post, and I'm gonna reply on that. In case if you get stuck, then you can personally message me, and I can help you with that as well. Right, so do it, go for it, because 21 days are finishing. Will be starting this next month. So this July will not be starting any new challenge, 21-day challenge. We'll be starting from next month, 1st of August. July, August, yes, 1st of August we'll start the 21-day challenge, and between the 7th and 21st, I would say between today's what, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Okay, cool. So from 9th onwards, 9th to 31st, I'll be sharing some more information which you might need once you have launched your course. Okay, this is not just applicable for Udemy, it is applicable for all the other aspects. So go for it, launch your course. We'll be starting the next challenge in August, 1st of August. And once you complete it, you will keep doing it, right? For September, October, November. So it's keep happening. Imagine you're participating in every 21-day challenge, and every month you're creating a course. And every month, for example, the strategy that I'm going to tell with you to promote, and also like you need to consider what exactly your course type would be, right? How much is the demand, but still you can make a good amount of money from Udemy. And the best part is, when you are earning from Udemy, you're not just getting the sale, you're getting a buyer, right? That will buy from you inside Udemy, outside Udemy. So it's an amazing process you got to go through. Once you start making money online, it will be amazing process, right? So keep doing it. In case if you apply for like 21 days for next 12 days, next 12 months, in 1 year you will have 12 courses. If each course is generating at least like $200 to $300 or maximum like $500 or maybe like $1,000, depends on the course niche, then let's consider just the base amount. For example, you're earning $300 per course every month. And if you're earning $300 per course every month, in 12 months you will have 12 courses, and 12 courses into 300 is about $3,600. It's not a bad income to not doing anything. Like, you just finish your course and then you start getting the money every single month without you actively working. All you need to do is just respond to some questions, because not many people ask questions. The people who are asking questions, it means they are interested, and you have option to enroll them in your next courses and next programs. So that's the thing. It's an amazing process. I want you to go through this. I have another question. Should we make short niche courses or a long niche, example web development or HTML, CSS? So see, what most people do is they go for niche, the big niche. Now what happens in that is when you start with a big niche, you already have a lot of competition, right? Either you have audience. In case if you have audience, then you have good chances to get there. Plus your course should be different from what they are teaching, right? Otherwise what happens, the same kind of courses the students get confused, right? And they will definitely go for the highest rated or bestseller, or they see the reviews which are like thousands and thousands of reviews, right? So that's something may create problem. So in case if you are starting out just for the testing purpose for the first time, I want you to go niche, right? In case if you are doing web development, then who are your audience? I want you to think about it, and just create for one singular audience or couple of audience for that particular course. So web development for beginners, that can be one. Web development for Java developers, okay, whatever it is, like it needs to be for someone. Now when they know that, okay, this course is specific for the people who know Java, or this course is specific for the people who know .NET, or they just know web development, you start getting a lot of good enrollments. And once you do that, the next step would be to start promoting. So I'll teach you the process to promote also. So I don't think there will be challenge, but I would suggest go for niche. Like when I started, there was no market for my technology in Udemy. It was just 1 or 2 courses available, and during that time it was very difficult, right? But after some time, you know, that market has become hot. I literally created the new market on Udemy marketplace, and now if somebody is launching the course on that platform, on Udemy platform, for the particular topic, they become very quickly bestseller. So, you know, it takes time. It takes time. You know, you cannot get immediate results, but you just need to see how you want to play the game. You want to play the game for long run or short run, not just short, but yeah, 2 to 3 months or 6 months. And of course you can start getting results. So I would say that focus on niche market, right? And that's where you will make a lot of money. Plus, I don't suggest you to create a huge program. Don't go for 10, 20, 30 hours of course. Focus only on creating 1 or 2 hours of course, which is your front end. So in case if you don't know what exactly I'm talking about, you can go to abhaysharma.com/free and take my course, which is a 7-day challenge. It's a free course where I teach you the process on what should be your sales funnel, right? And once you do that, the next step would be, you will not be creating your main programs, which you can sell for like $300, $500, $1,000. You will not be creating that on Udemy, because Udemy will sell it for $10, right? So it's not a good idea to post everything on Udemy. Okay, always start building audience inside Udemy as well as outside Udemy, right? Don't put all your eggs in one basket. That's what I say. Just go for it. I would say don't overanalyze for now. Just focus on getting your course and apply the strategies, apply the marketing things, and then you can start you know, getting good results. What do you think a beginner course instructor could make money per month on starting? It depends on the niche, I would say. Some people make like initially on the launch they make $1,000, $1,500. Some people don't even make like $100. Depends on the niche. So I want you to go to instructor tab, instructor dashboard on Udemy, and what you need to do is you just need to go to marketing insights. There you can put your course topic, and Udemy will give you that what exactly your course is. What is the demand of your course? Is it highly in demand, or it's you need to bring your A-rated game? It means like you need to bring your top game to succeed in this topic, or there is no market, you need a marketing strategy, right? So those kind of things you will see. And I would say that go for the marketing insights tab, search for your term. When you search, you will see that what is the demand, and also you will see the related keywords that people are searching. Number 2. Number 3, you will also see some of the best selling courses or the top courses in that particular niche, and go to their pages, go to their courses, see what people are talking about, what is their outline, what they are teaching, and what people are liking about the course, what people are not liking about the course. So that's a part of research which we discussed like day 1st, 2nd, I think 2nd or 3rd. I don't remember. You can just scroll down and you can see for day 2 or day 3. I explained about the marketing, little bit of marketing. How can you do a quick research so that you don't create something which nobody needs. And also you need to do some survey, right? We discussed in the video. So you can go for that. The earning depends on the niche as well as also on how many audience you have, right? So for example, if you have audience outside Udemy, you have good contacts who are ready to pay $10 for your course. In case if you have 100 people like that, you know, you can make $1,000 like that, right? So it's not a big challenge to get started. Some people just rely on marketing for like Udemy marketing, but the people who succeed, they focus on their own marketing as well. So that something is there. Okay, so can I see the demand without instructor account? No, actually no, it's available only on the instructor dashboard, and instructor dashboard sign up is free, so you don't have to pay anything. You sign up as an instructor. You even don't have to create your premium profile to receive payments. All you can do is once you do that, you will see the marketing insights tab, and then you can do that. Let me just see if I can show you here. so that you will get the idea. Okay, so let me see if I can add a screen. I'm using this particular solution called ManyCam, and let me see, trans. Okay, I think you should be able to see my screen. Let me just check and make sure that it's visible. I think it is visible. I don't know. Oh yes, it is. I was just confirming on my system because sometimes it doesn't work. So you have this marketplace insights tab, and there you can see that what topics you are inserted in. For example, if I put web development, I'll just select the web development. Or if you don't find your topic, what you can do is you can specifically find some topic which is related to your topic, right? So if you don't find, then you see here, bring your A game to succeed in this topic. So you can see the student demand is high and the number of courses are also high. Now the top monthly revenue is $61,726. That is the top course earning on Udemy, and median is revenue $27, right? And if you go down, you will see that it's a huge demand. The trend is not stopping, it's growing and growing. And here you have web development. People search, like 18% people search for web development, and here you have related topics, so you can choose to go for these topics. And also you can see the conversion rate is 10.3%. It's discoverable. You can see, mostly people get the suggestions from Udemy, so they enroll in the course. And also Udemy does marketing for you. That's the best part. You don't have to do marketing. They will run Facebook ads for you. They will run Google ads for you. They will bring you people, as well as you can make money. It's amazing. So they give a lot of information. Now here you can see web developer course, amazing course, 362 lectures, 43 hours of content, right? So that is there. Then you have 0 to mastery. Okay, so you can find that how many ratings they have. They have like 79,000, 80,000 ratings, right? So it's difficult to beat this person in short amount of time. Of course, it's a bestseller. About 300,000 people, 3 lakh people have registered for this course, and you can see 79,000 reviews, and these are the different reviews. Okay, so you can see it is working pretty good. So you just need to go search for your term here and do that. Now you see hot and new. This has become hot and new, 561 ratings. This is a newly launched course. It's about like 2 months. Yeah, they updated this month, but it's like 1 or 2 months, not more than that. And this person has already got like 7,000 students and 561 ratings, which is pretty good. A lot of enrollments he must be getting. So you can check out what exactly they are doing in this particular course, right? So that can help you really well. In case if you want to see, like, I want to work on HTML, so you can just click on this topic, then Udemy is gonna give you the HTML thing, and here also you will see that it's a bring your A game. The revenue is less as compared to the previous one. The conversion rate also is less as compared to the previous one, but you can see you have courses here, right? So in case if you want to beat these guys, you got to create the course which is like more than 12 hours and good lectures. Make sure that you have good ratings, and it can start showing up here. So that's something you can do. Plus you have different filters on the language. So if you create HTML course on Spanish, it's very competitive. Now if somebody is going to create HTML course in Portuguese, then there's a great opportunity. Student demand is high, the number of courses are low, right? So it's there's a good chance to succeed in this topic because there's a huge opportunity, right? So for Portuguese, for French, again there's a great opportunity. For German, differentiate your course to succeed in this topic. Okay, it looks like they have added a new thing. So students number are high, number of courses are low. Enrollments are like 17.7%. Amazing thing. Now you got to find these things and you got to see that how it is going to work, right? So that's something I would say, go play around with this before creating your course, do some quick research, and also do some surveys, have some audience, join some Facebook groups, rated Facebook groups, not the Udemy free coupon groups. That doesn't work. Okay, so I hope you get some idea of this. Yes, you can sign up. So if you have the learner account, you just say you will have an option on the top like become an instructor. Just click on that. You will be able to sign up, okay, as an instructor, and you can start seeing that. Okay, can I see courses in demand without instructor name? Can I see course demand without instructor name account? Okay, sorry, I think we have answered this question. You can't, you need to have instructor. Awesome information. That type of information cannot be found easily on internet. Thank you, you're most welcome. So this is just, I would say it's a tip of an iceberg. I'm planning a lot of things for you guys. I just want to make sure that you first launch your course, and so that you can start focusing on building this online business. Like, you don't have to just create online course for Udemy. You can create courses for yourself. You can get into, like, you can do the entire automation. We'll talk about that in the coming months. So yeah, that's it. Again, if you have any questions, just comment below. I will reply. Plus I will share with you a link on instructor. Let me just check if it's there. No, I think it's not there. I did this in the previous sessions, plus when we started this 14-day challenge or 7-day challenge, so there you can find it. But I'm gonna put that link just below this video so that you can start using, right? And you can, I would say, play around with this in case if you want to join in August, 1st of August, then do some good research, collect audience, have at least like 3,000 to 4,000 people ready to buy your courses. Talk to a lot of people, because not everybody will buy. About 20-25% will buy. So, you know, if you want 200, 300, 500 or 1,000 sales, then, you know, you can multiply it by 5 and get those many audience interested in your topic, and that can really help you, right? So we are about to end this challenge. It's day number 17. I'll be launching my course. A lot of people are also launching their courses, so we'll talk about that. And next month, don't forget to join, because there's a huge opportunity right now. $275.1 billion by 2022, and it is an amazing opportunity. I would say that if you're not starting now, it means you will have tough time. But of course, like, you know, the best time was if I started this journey 5 years back. I would be in a different thing, but the other best opportunity is today, because, you know, if you start today, in next 1 or 2 years, you will have consistent income, and you can rely on that income just from Udemy, right? Other things, we'll talk about that in detail. So that's it, guys. I'll talk to you tomorrow, where we'll see how you guys are doing. If you have any questions, I'll go around about 9 o'clock. I will go live so that you can ask your questions. And from 19th onwards, 19, 20, 21, we'll talk about marketing, basic marketing you need to have to get started and get people enroll in your course and make your course new and noteworthy, hot and new, or bestseller. Right, so one more question. I shoot videos in DSLR, but when I edit my videos, quality it gets degraded. Please suggest me some ways to maintain original quality. I would say it should not get degraded. I've never tried recording with DSLR, But in case if you're using, like I'm using Camtasia, it doesn't get degraded. Maybe you can share some example before after, and we can just check out like what people have to say, and also if there's any ways we can do that. So currently I have not experienced this because I have not used it, but yeah, I would definitely help you in case if you can share some more information on that. So share some information on your previous video, a small clip of 10 seconds, and share the one which you have edited and produced, and that way you can we can find out like what exactly the problem is, right? Cool. So guys, day number 17 of 21, focus on finishing your course. I'm going offline. I think I'm online on YouTube as well, which is good. So that's it guys, thank you so much. I'll talk to you tomorrow. We'll finish the editing. You got to finish the editing if you have not done. In case if you are like if you're not done with the recording, you can, if you're working only on still on content, that's okay, finish the content, right? Make these 21 days challenge useful for you so that you start getting some results. Okay, so I'm also using Camtasia. It's get degrading. Okay, maybe you can share some information, like what is the production what do you call the production quality that you're using. Maybe I'll also check in case if I find some solution to it, and we'll let you know. Handbrake, as you suggested, I need to check that. Yes, Handbrake is good for compressing the size of the video. Once you get that size reduced, the next thing would be to edit it, and it's easy to edit a video which is of less size than the other one. So Handbrake, I would say, take one file, use that particular software to compress. It will take a lot of time to compress, as I'm sure your file will be big, so expect some time in conversion. Once you get it, you will have a good amount of compression happening. So all you can do is you can just use Camtasia on that new file and see how it works, because that's something I have done earlier. I got recorded somewhere, but I was not ready to edit. It was a huge file, and then yeah, original size is 3.5. Okay, yeah, of course, then definitely it is going to reduce. So go for Handbrake, try that. Number 2 is edit the reduced file and make sure that your quality of the production is good, right? You don't choose the default quality that Udemy, I would say the Camtasia suggests. So you can check the video just below this in the comments. I have shown you that what are the settings you can go for. It's a 1920 by 1080, right? Once you do that, I think the production would be better and the quality will be better. Yeah, right. Cool. So let me know in case if you have any questions more. Post here. I'll check for in case if there's any option to edit DSLR files without degrading the quality. Alright guys, day number 17. It was fun talking to you guys. Keep this engagement, add as many people as you can so that we can help a lot of people. So I'll talk to you tomorrow and we'll work on the editing. We'll continue working on editing and finish editing tomorrow. So that's it. Bye for now.